Today, we reflect on Articles 11 to 15 of the Convention on the Rights of the Child. These provisions move us from survival and identity into protection, voice, and participation. Article 11 addresses international child abduction. Children must not be wrongfully taken or kept across borders. When this happens, governments have a duty to work together to secure the child's safe return. A child's stability must never be sacrificed to adult conflict. Article 12 is one of the most empowering provisions. It affirms that children have the right to express their views in matters that affect them, and those views must be taken seriously according to their age and maturity. Children may be young, but their voices carry meaning. Article 13 expands this further. Children have the freedom to seek, receive, and share information and ideas through speech, writing, art, or other forms of expression. Expression is part of growth, part of identity, part of becoming. Article 14 protects a child's freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Children have the right to form beliefs of their own, with parental guidance that respects their evolving understanding. Article 15 recognizes the right to peaceful assembly and association. Children may gather, organize, and belong to groups, cultural, religious, educational, or social, as long as it is peaceful and lawful. And as we reflect on these rights, we must again consider the realities around us. In many of our communities, children are often told to be silent, to be seen and not heard. Their opinions are dismissed because of age, their questions are discouraged, their participation is limited. But these provisions remind us that listening to children is not indulgence, it is responsibility. When children are heard, they grow in confidence. When they are allowed to think, they grow in wisdom. When they are allowed to participate, they grow in responsibility. Children are not just future leaders, they are present voices. And as we continue to raise awareness, may we remember that every child carries a voice that must be heard, a dignity that must be protected, and a future that must be nurtured. Until next time, let us keep standing for the rights of every child, everywhere.